In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield wiper blades on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. These are going to be located in front of your windshield. Let's get into it. I'll grab the wiper blade arm. We're going to tip it up. Under here, I'm just taking a straight blade screwdriver. Just get under here. Just pop this little cover up. Slide the blade down. It pops out. Take the wiper blade, make sure you have the correct attachment. If you need to swap them, there's a little button right here. Push down there, and this slides off. You can put on the correct attachment. It's just gonna slide onto the blade, clip on, and you can push the blade back down. You can do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.